Francois Adrien, everybody knows you in our community, but for our non-Haitian viewers, please introduce yourself.
My name is Francois Adrien, and I'm the owner of Pickles.com. And Pickles is a Haitian website, and we've been on the web for 10 years. And this year we're going to celebrate our 10-year anniversary.
Wonderful. So tell me more about what material you have on Pickles.
The goal with Pickles is to give the visitors a broad breaking news type of news. I mean, breaking news is what is important. What we do, we go to the websites, to different websites, and we pick up the most important material, the most important news for the day. And if we have a link, we have another page with where all the websites are linked also. So if you want to go deeper, you can go ahead and go to Radio Metropole, to Radio Christalie, for example, and you have more news on that end. And we have a photo gallery, which is one of the biggest Haitian photo gallery on the website, on the web. More than, right now we are around 110,000 pictures.
Wow.
And it's an accumulation. For 10 years we've been accumulated pictures, all kind of pictures. I mean, we have pictures about the beauty of Haiti, we have pictures about the history of Haiti, we have pictures about, our money, we have pictures about our flag, when it started, when we became independent, and it was in 1804, the first black republic to become independent. And so on and so on, and the list is long. We have a lot of pictures. So I will invite you to go ahead and visit the photo gallery. And the website name is Pickles, it's Pickliz.com, which means it's a hot pepper that's, it's very hot for Haiti, that's the way we call it, Pickles.
You have a photo gallery and you have news. Is that all you have on the website?
No, we have, we try to go ahead and cover the culture of Haiti, which is, the Haitian culture is, is very, very interesting. And we try to promote the painters who paintings, we try to promote music, we try to, we have articles about everything related to culture. And also, those are the main important areas in the website.
What made you decide to create Pickles in the first place? If people can go around the web and find other websites, what made you decide, I want to create this one thing?
One day I was cleaning my garage, and then I saw a box of pictures, and I went in and saw all my school pictures. And I sat there, and it was going to, the cleaning was over.
Yeah.
So I sat there all day looking at the pictures, and I said, this is a waste. I mean, when will be the next time that I will be seeing those pictures? Maybe in the next 10 years? And this is how I started to think about putting them online. And back then, the internet was just getting there. Slowly, but it was there already. And this is how I decided to, I start working on the idea. And in 2003, I had a huge party in the Redlands on a Sunday, because I wanted for the culture of Haiti to invite young kids, parents, so that way the kids are exposed to the Haitian bands, to the Haitian music, so we can go ahead and transmit the Haitian culture with our kids. With a thing that it's not done, because all the young people go to South Beach, they don't go to Haitian parties. And then after that party, we made so many pictures, 700 pictures, and everybody was asking me, well, where can I see the pictures? Are you going to send them by email? But there is no way by email that you're going to send 700 pictures.
Right.
So the same idea again, to put them on the web, came up, and that was the creation of Pickles.com.
You said it's Pickles' 10th anniversary. How has Pickles grown in these 10 years? What have you learned? What have you changed in the website and your ways of doing things? And Pickles, Tell me about the journey.
10 years ago, when I decided to share information, news, and pictures, it wasn't my field, and I was new in what they call websites. And it used to take me hours and hours just to upload one article into the website. And finally, after spending nights and nights, it's not possible. I mean, there is another way. Definitely there is another way. And I went online, I tried to research, and finally I found something that called FTP, which is the File Transfer Protocol. And I said, oh my God, I spent all those hours. If I knew that before. And I learned about FTP, and I was able, it was easier now. It took me, instead of hours, it was minutes. So this is the way that I learned about website. And finally I decided to have another design and hired somebody to know to know how to design a website. They did it for me, and we did it. We stayed there for at least 7 years. And last year, we did it again because technology is changing.
Yes. Tell me more about the event going on tonight.
Okay. This is our 10th anniversary, and since our 8th, we've been celebrating every year for the 4th of July weekend. And this year, the original Jean-Loup is going to come and play. It was a band that used to play in Haiti a long time ago. We're talking about the 1960s. And what I wanted to do is to bring back memories. Okay. And those guys are not young as they used to, but I'm pretty sure they will give a good performance, and it will be a reminiscence of the old-time songs, remember One Point, Cabane Choukoun, and all that. And I think that is going to be great. It's going to be at La Renaissance Ballroom, not far from the airport, Miami Airport. And the address is 5910 Southwest 8th Street.
At what time?
It's going to be at 9 o'clock. We're going to start at 9 o'clock. But by the time people come, the show will start between 10 and 10:30.
And how much is it?
It's $40 per person. Only $40 per person.
At the door too?
At the door. No, I don't do like before or after. It's $40.
Okay.
Even if you buy your ticket in advance or at the door, it's $40.
Is it going to be a gala format? Are you going to have food, or is it just party music?
It's not a gala, it's a party music. Okay. We're going to have food that the ballroom will be selling themselves. We're going to have the drinks. And I think also it's good to recognize some people, and especially this year it will be the press, which the press is doing a tremendous job. It's it's hard for the press, especially in the Haitian community, where they're not helping because for publicity, it's like we don't believe in publicity, and I think it's a problem. But I want to recognize some people in the press this year.
I applaud you for that initiative.
Thank you very much.
Now let's take a look at how the celebrations went for Pikli's 8th and 9th anniversary.
The night began with the special guests receiving awards for their service to the community and for their work within the Haitian culture. There were over 10 honored guests at this Piklis.com celebration.
On that note, let us all continue the celebration with the outstanding performance of our legend band and Difficile de Pétreville.
At this special event, the guest of honor was President Michel Martelly of Haiti, who came to join the Piklis.com party and have a good time.
Surtout dans Piklis, qui sont médias sociaux qui permettent de le monde entier informer, former, et que nous ça va passer la caille. Parce que depuis les succès continuent, toujours camper, chauffer dans l'église. Pareil à ça.
Good evening to everyone. We are at the club Renaissance downtown Miami, celebrating the 9th anniversary of Pickleys.com. Pickleys, succès continu, et nous sommes en compagnie des difficiles de Pétionville.
Hello, bonsoir. Mon nom c'est Maxime from GM Production. C'est Maximo pour les intimes. C'est me souhaiter Pickleys.com un bon anniversaire à soir. Que nous avons fêté, tout le monde a pris plaisir là avec Pickleys.com. Les difficiles, une belle ambiance. On va que monde soit, monde de bien. Côté nous avons que la communauté a venu pour supporter Pickleys.com parce qu'il a fait un bon travail dans la communauté. Merci.
Towards the end, the president of Pickleys.com, Francois Adrien, received an award from the community.
Merci beaucoup pour recognition ça, apprécié la vie et moi santé.
And after a brief pause for a few speeches, now it was time at the end of the night to go back to the music at the 9th annual Pickleys.com party.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Francois, who in the press are you recognizing this year?
It's gonna be a surprise. It's gonna be a surprise. You will listen to the names the night of the party.
How many people?
Oh, I think we are about 8 or 9.
8 or 9.
If I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
8 or 9.
What did you base yourself on to pick these people?
On their work, on their dedication to the Haitian community, and it's not easy to find the people. I mean, their work is there, and it's seen. You see it, and you know who is working and who is not working.
So, being that like you said, it's an older generation band. Are you also inviting the younger generation to come?
Well, I'm inviting everybody because it's on the radio, it's on the television. But the problem, I would love for the young generation to come and see what used to be played before, like 20, 30, 40 years ago. And I think there's a difference. Like, for example, the text of the songs are different. The text of the songs back then were poems. But right now, I don't think that I can say that we have poems in the songs. It's Mettez en l'air, William Way, etc. So I would encourage the young generation to come and listen, and at least they can compare and have their own opinion.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Francois, for joining me today.
Well, thank you for inviting me to the What's Up Haitian show. It's been a pleasure.
I hope you have much success at the party tonight.
Thank you so much.
Any last words to our viewers?
I would like to invite everyone to come tonight to that great party, our 10th anniversary with Les Chleux. And especially I'm inviting the non-Haitian to come and network with us Haitian, and at least to listen to some good Haitian music, some pampa music, which is well recognized all over the world.
Cinéma, nan bal, nan programme, tout côté, grand moun pa connaît. Cassez-le quoi, cassez-le quoi, cassez-le quoi, cassez-le quoi. C'est ça. Remets dans cinéma. Remets tout si mal, yo remets tout côté. A la belle bagaille, c'est remets.